In this fast-paced era, finding a small world of one's own seems to have become a luxury. But imagine that when tradition collides with creativity, even an ordinary container can transform into a dreamlike living space where you'll be tempted. Flexible and versatile container houses with their unique modular design easily achieve maximum space utilization, whether it's the tranquility of the city or the embrace of nature in the outskirts. You can quickly build your dream cabin. Home aesthetics warm and overflowing. The interior decoration is not limited to one style. From Nordic simplicity to industrial retro, every style can find a perfect interpretation here. Customized furniture and soft lighting create a warm and comfortable home atmosphere. Don't let the boundaries of life limit your imagination. Container houses make every stay a journey of freedom. Come and join us, explore more possibilities together and embark on a new chapter of your dream life.